Fog patches locally around the south coast, a little further up the coastline. It's expected to be wet today. Prince Rupert reporting some rain right now in 7 degrees. Look how mild it is over Haida Gwaii, 8 above, and actually some clouds spreading over parts of the central interior. Light flakes in Williams Lake right now. A few flurries in your Prince George forecast. Also, terrace flurries changing to rain showers, maybe 3 degrees above for this afternoon. And we see that all across the southern interior, part cloud, part clearing, and it is below the freezing mark thus far. Let's have a look at our satellite and Doppler radar here, and you can see the clouds arcing up and over what is a building high-pressure ridge, sort of, I guess the axis of that ridge really right along Vancouver Island so far, but it builds strong and moves over the interior part of the province over the following several days. And by several, I mean, I think it's here straight through the middle of December. So let's go region by region, see how it's impacting your southern BC forecast with a lot of stubborn low cloud hanging around Port Hardy most of the day. So far in Tofino, there is some low cloud, possibly a bit of drizzle, but it's going to clear on the west coast for a beautiful sunny 7 degrees. I suspect the fog and low cloud hangs around our provincial capital, Victoria, a little bit longer, a high of 6 today. Now, further inland, we're basically seeing the clouds up above dissipating. The sun will stream on through. A wonderful day in sea to sky. Keep in mind, a temperature inversion means it may be warmer on the top of the slopes than it will be down in the valley bottoms. +1 in the sun in Whistler for today. There's some low cloud across parts of the interior, and it may be more problematic, more stubborn for areas to the south around Penticton, also the southeast corner of the province. But if you get to Kelowna, into Vernon, north towards Kamloops, I think we'll at least get some partial clearing. The sun comes out, the high's about -1 for today. Here's our local forecast. A little bit of fog out there initially. As it lifts, we'll get a mix of sun and cloud, and ultimately later today, it's more sun, less cloud, about 6 degrees. With a stronger breeze for the next couple of days, I think the fog is less extensive. It does warm up accordingly, 8, maybe 9 in the afternoons, but it's chillier in the mornings, a few below freezing. And those patches of freezing fog, they're in our long-range picture as well. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and beyond, I suspect it'll be varying amounts of that low cloud and sun each day, and the temperature settling in near a half a dozen degrees. The chance of rain, that is 0 until further notice.